Let's put that open house on the MLS. So we are putting up a open house for Cascade. The open house is going to be on Sunday, June 3rd. So we are going to go to our input screen. We will select the listing we are editing, Cascade. We are going to manage open houses. We're going to add an open house. We always do the public open tour unless otherwise noted. In my experience, we've never done these. While they can get done, we always do our public open houses. And pick the date. It's June 3rd. It'll be from 1 until 3 p.m. And then we will submit the listing. If for whatever reason you need to cancel this open house, again, you go back to your input section, find the property you are editing, manage the open houses, and you will delete the open house and submit the listing again. So that is how you add the open house to the MLS.